The world is moving forward. Car industries are growing too. Today, we are reviewing the Toyota Yaris Cross. Front. At the front, look at the grille so big in cyber size that even a street dog would step aside. Look at the headlights, futuristic sharp LEDs, like the eyes of a spaceship. This could be the best option if you're looking to buy an SUV. Now let's take a look at the sides. Sides. On the sides, cyber shape, sharp, 9, 0, degree, edges, flat surfaces, no curves. The suspension is so low that the chassis is literally touching the ground. The body is slimmed and boxy, like an SUV that goes to the gym. There's no gap in the wheel arches. Custom alloy wheels, tight fit. This is the Yaris Cross, but now it looks like an alien. Now let's move to the rear side. Rear. At the rear, cyber style wide, angular, and aggressive. Tail lights have a futuristic connected design like angry eyes. The bumper is massive. From the back, this doesn't look like an SUV, it looks like a sci-fi monster. Now, look at the interior. Interior. Inside, first let's look at the cabin. Decent, premium, and clean. The steering wheel is leather-wrapped, sporty but elegant. The dashboard is minimal, a 7-inch digital display, soft black finish. The seats are comfortable dark leather with subtle stitching. Infotainment is an 8-inch touchscreen with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The space is surprisingly spacious, 5 adults can sit easily. Automatic climate control, push-button start, cruise control, everything is standard. For safety, 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking camera, hill assist. This is a fashion piece. You just look at this, not buy. But if you like this piece, subscribe and check out my channel. There you might find even better car reviews. Peace.